Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your gear. Charge the watch to at least 50% and enable Bluetooth on your phone so pairing proceeds smoothly. Open the companion app, sign in, and grant permissions for notifications and location because those allow real-time sync and safety features. Once done, follow the app pairing flow, scan the QR or enter the code so data transfers securely. Make sure firmware updates are accepted. They fix bugs and improve battery life. You now configure features to match your routine. Pick a watch face and set complications so glanceable info, time, steps, battery, appears instantly. Then adjust notification filters and quick replies to avoid overload. Schedule Do Not Disturb for sleep or meetings. Next, enable health tracking and calibrate GPS for accurate distance and pace, and choose a sync interval to balance immediacy versus battery use. These choices reduce friction. You finish by building habits. Charge nightly, review weekly activity summaries, and backup settings so nothing is lost. If sensors drift, recalibrate steps or heart rate in the app to maintain accuracy. Keep firmware current and clear the app cache if performance slows. If problems persist, restart the watch first, then unpair and repair to reset connections. Make sure to gather logs and screenshots before contacting support so they can diagnose issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.